Alright, so now that we have our storefront set up on Teespring, the computer section is done for now. So let's go ahead and get out our phones here. And what we're going to want to do is set up our Instagram page and our Facebook page, the two social platforms we'll be using for this. So let's start with Instagram. So let's open that up. And what you see here is a great example. This is my personal clothing page here, and I'll show you step by step how to do everything that I've done. It's all turned out to be extremely successful. The first thing we're going to want to do is add your account. So go ahead and hit add account and create your business name or whatever clothing line name you want to use there. And then once you get set up, I'll wait a second here, so you can pause the video right about here. Would be a good time. Get your name set up. And then once you come back, we're going to hit the gear setting in the corner there. And you're going to scroll down to see mine is already a business account. So where it says switch back to personal account, yours will say turn to a business account. You'll follow those steps there, and that's exactly what you want to do. What that's going to allow you to do is have a contact button so someone can email you any questions about your shirts, any help they need, customer service. You can select that you are a clothing company, as you can see just right there that it's clothing. You could select community, whatever you like, really, whatever fits you. I went with clothing. So that page will be set up. We'll address that in a second. Let's go ahead and get the Facebook one set up. So I'm going to pass that on to the next lecture.